Okay, just a quick update on my knotweed situation. Just gonna go through the little patches that I have here. I have this little patch here that was about 20 by 20. This patch right here. And then we're gonna go to the main patch. Now, what I've been doing is I got a 2x4 with a piece of rope, and I would stomp it down like they make what do you call it? The crop circles, UFO crop circles, how they fake those. Because this is now the main patch, because cutting it individually was just too big by myself. And the main patch continues over here. I want to say this part is about 20 foot by 100 foot, and then this part is probably 60 by 80, and it spreads down there a little bit farther. In the winter time, I cover this with plastic, and then I pulled it up to spray chemicals, which I don't like to do because everyone uses groundwater here, but I do that 2 to 4 times a year just because I don't have a choice. It was coming up on my went through the bushes and it was going up into my foundation, so I had to act quickly on this. This patch is about 3 years now, but the first year I really didn't know what I was doing. Now the problem is that this secondary patch over here, this patch is probably 2 years working on it now. It's actually running away and started a brand new patch over here. And this patch has got to be another 20 by 80 foot. And I've been doing this by myself. So what I do is I tamp it down. I try to keep the stalks connected, and then I spray the broken stalks so that the root continues to try to pump energy into those broken stalks while it's being poisoned. And I use the chemicals, glyphosate, because that's the most, I don't know if you can see this, glyphosate, that's the easiest one to get. And then I use this one, triclopyr, that's what they use in Britain. It's a little harder to get here, but you can get it in Bush Killer. And I use another one, 2,4-D amine, someplace. Maybe it's that one, 2,4-D amine, which is a much older broadleaf spectrum. I use a colorant, and I've been using what do you call it, degreaser as a surfactant to get to the outer waxy layer of the leaves. And I mean, it's working. The problem is it's running down the hill, and I don't want it to go in my neighbor's yard. So there you go.